Hello, welcome to McLaud Technology. Today we have a lesson that we would like to share with you regarding the printers, because as you keep printing every day, sometimes the roller could not pick up the film anymore. She'll just run out of paper. So I will show you here something. This is the roller. This one, you know, this roller, this is the one that grab the paper or bite the paper so that it will feed inside. So all you have to do is get a cotton, maybe like this. You can buy this in any pharmacy. Then put the alcohol. This is an alcohol, okay, a rubbing alcohol. Just because as you keep printing every day, the coating on the film will, like that, just cover the, and all you have to do is just rub the or the other way around is if you have a cotton, what is that, like this. So you can have this too. This is the best way because you can touch the whole thing. So just put the cotton there, wet it, and all you have to do is just clean it, just like this. Clean the rubber until it's clean, and that's the one that will get the film to push to your printer. So that's the simple thing that you need to do. Clean it again so that all the film coating that was stuck in there, because it will slide, so all the film coating that was stuck in there, it will be clean and it will start to run like new again. Okay, that's all the simple things that I'm sharing to you today about if you have problems with the printer getting the film to get inside. All right, see you again for the next video.